Can we say obsessed garage, or do we gotta beat that out?
No, we can keep that in. Actually, if we open the video with obsessed garage, pressure washer,
we might get
obsessed garage, we might get more hits.
Oh, obsessed garage.
This is Obsessed Garage's
We are doing
custom Kranzle pressure washer system install.
Quick ship too. I mean, it took just a couple days. It was on back order, and
The
then
packaging, great.
packaging was supreme. This guy, you're gonna have to really pay up the big bucks to use this like this.
Hello and welcome to Hardware Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. Today we are installing the Obsessed Garage pressure washer in the MFR HWL garage. First we have to figure out where we want the shelf that the pump sits on. Charlie's thinking right there. It's almost perfectly level. Just that first shot. I don't know if that's gonna be that'll be like Kyle proof.
But Kyle, do you have to? How do you turn it on, Kyle? You gotta
It's on the. It only clicks on.
It's always on.
When it
It's
senses
always
loss
on?
in pressure.
Yeah.
It's always on.
I mean, you know,
As soon as you pull the trigger.
That sounds safe. Okay.
it's got a switch right there. I think.
What? Okay. So then, Kyle, you have to jump up on here. Flip it on.
All right, this is a Kranzle K1322TS. Obsessed Garage sends you everything you need to get your power washing station set up. If we can do it, you can do it. Comes with this beautiful Cox reel for your hose. Fits 100 feet of hose on it. These hose ain't loyal. Dan's trying not to get his hands all cut off by this thing.
So we also ended up with the Obsessed Garage 16-inch on center wall mount solution because I don't think the default Cox drill pattern here would get us to hit 2 studs. So we are mounting the hose reel to this beautiful piece of aluminum.
Is that stainless? I think that's 3/16 stainless.
That's what I said.
We'll tune in to see what Charlie's doing over here.
Looking for a stud. Looking for a stud.
You got him right here.
That is the oldest joke in the carpenter's world. We found a stud.
Right in line.
I think it's gonna be like right there. And then the other one should
It
be.
should be 16 inches over, right? Was this house built to spec? Built to code?
Oh yeah. Quality material from.
Aside from the floor drain in the garage.
No, we don't talk about that.
Don't be bolting that on there yet, brother.
What?
Don't be bolting that on there. Doesn't make it a to hang that. Pal, I love you, Dan. You're gonna bolt that. Line up.
You don't want it just out of reach of me, right?
Yeah, and I want it as low as we can. So honestly.
Without you whacking your knuckles on it.
Yeah. So you.
like that.
What do you think?
Oh God, that is just.
Just skin your knuckles right off.
It's probably pretty good. Where'd you get that level?
This level is available at Menards.
Really?
Yep. I do not believe it's available on any other retailer.
So we got a pump. We got this nice wand, swivel everything. Swivels on swivels on swivels. Well, in
Really
this wand, you
working away.
got the swivel integrated into the handle so you don't have this long adapter on the end. And then it's an instant
they're
off valve.
They're big old giants.
We'll demonstrate that later.
Like right here. What does this mean right here?
Doing its own boxing.
Okay, now what we're trying not to do is hit any of these heat pipes or anything.
I was gonna say all the water in the wall.
I've done a bigger pilot hole because these are pretty big.
What did you use to drill that pilot hole?
A Master Force something.
This is the triple tap method.
See, look at those are pothole. We missed. Ooh. What is going on here?
Is it left more?
Red is bad, right?
Yeah, well,
Dead on?
that's dead on nuts. I mean, that's Hardaway right there.
Red is.
Red, you never take it off. All right, so
So
now.
many holes in that wall that you wouldn't want to move it anywhere else.
Yeah, we yeah, but
This is over.
we're good. So when we had one more problem.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's why this is a two-man job.
Any day now.
So we're testing Kyle's brute strength, as we know he's all of a bit of a, I don't know, we like to call him Popeye. So Dan, this was an optional piece that we ordered, I think.
Wall mount?
The wall mount.
Yep.
Highly recommend, because this is gonna make this job way easier than trying to mount like something to the wall behind
Anchors
us.
in there or
Yeah,
something, yeah.
that would have been
That was a good call, dude.
That was the one thing.
Why didn't we put this with the reel to the left?
Well, that was the question of, okay, left-handed versus right-handed.
Okay.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right-handed. I was just thinking then you wouldn't be in the way of this, but
But it's not in the way of that.
that's fine.
It's like 6 inches from that.
Like,
So are we gonna move it?
No, that's perfect.
Just checking it. It's on there, kind of. Yeah, that's not awkward at all. Let's make it backwards so it's awkward for everybody. Good thinking, Kyle.
it would be clean with the water on. Is the only thing, but
Now Dan's changing his mind.
no,
Wait, because it's gonna come down like this, right? And then that water line will come up like this somehow and go into the front?
yeah,
Because
one.
that water line's gonna come down.
I don't think there's any room for it to move.
Okay, you keep saying that. Did you say that on camera?
I don't think there's any room for it to move. Yeah, it's just flexing.
It's not flexing, it's moving. So.
That looks pretty level.
Okay, this is MFR garage, not hardware learning.
I've seen Kyle work on his garage.
Yeah, with his mittens on. Oh, I'm so cold. I'm so cold.
Well, now we just are,
Just gotta
getting.
Now you're gonna get carbon monoxide poisoning.
I mean, it sucks,
But they also live in Texas, so. Oh, sorry for our Texas subscribers. Alright, you can hang on that leg. We gotta find some legs to leg that thing to the wall. I can't. How come they come with any?
Was it?
You guys sure you don't want to put this on the other side?
We're just configuring.
Because it's 16 on center for his shelf.
Yeah. Do we just put it here and call it good?
I mean, that's how I'm guessing.
That's how he did it. But remember, he had the ionizer underneath it too.
Yeah.
What a pain. Okay, ask him. How are you supposed to tighten that one?
It's slotted.
I don't. No, but you still have to. We gotta find some bolts for this. We should have a drone flying this.
That's gonna be me soon.
You know? 18-inch on center.
I mean, you don't have to have it all the way out.
Yeah, we could have it just be a little bit of. Yeah.
Oh, does that top thing just rest on
Yep.
there?
So Dan, let's not tighten it down quite yet then.
Isn't it a 5/16?
They're the kit that he's got that should have it doesn't have that on there anymore.
Yeah, see how far up there. So if we just line that up with that, we got plenty of slop. So we just gotta line it up with that.
It's kind of weird that he doesn't make the shelf the same width, but maybe it needs to be a little wider for the pressure washer.
3. Oh.
Should be level top.
Adjustable wrench.
Roll plates on or something. I know you don't know what that means.
Want another extension?
It's good enough for government work. We gotta pay that for just for here.
God damn! I'm gonna pull the muscle.
You sure he doesn't want that there somehow?
Are those strap things? These wouldn't fit on there. No, that's for the hose, right?
I don't know.
Oh, I can't sing because then you'll copyright problem.
No, the covers are
If
fine.
you sing, it's fine.
It's better.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's better.
Is it 3 o'clock in the morning now? That's the last time I did a project with you. It was middle of the night.
Fucking hell.
Red Lobster's open.
Get all the heat shields back on. You get the intake
How many
tubes on. Then
So coverage, you can sing?
Yeah.
And I can sing.
you can see. So that was supposed to be easier since you took that out?
Yeah. I didn't know. It wasn't going down very well.
Sounds like someone's learning
The hard way.
the hard way. Does that fit around there now?
If it's around there. Oh my god.
What are we doing here?
Oh.
Working up this nice piece of stainless.
I haven't touched the stainless yet.
You can't get there.
I can't get there. How many of these are we putting on there? I might have to do a little center punch on this because she's walking.
It's just supposed to be nice or something.
This is not gonna work. Don't film this. This is.
Let's go.
Day after Thanksgiving sale.
Kyle, you need this.
Maynard's.
Bryn needs this. Wow, there's a lot of bits in there.
We're gonna start with a little bit. It's hardly making a.
This stuff is like paper thin.
It's barely moved on that thing.
Thing that Kyle's been struggling with, and it's not videoed.
Find out how
And then he says, Dan did a great job fishing this downpipe out after I spent 35 minutes trying to get.
Yeah, it's always the downpipe. I struggle with it for 10 minutes and Dan gets down there for 20 seconds and he gets it out.
It's just different angle. These holes so far off.
I thought you marked it.
You did, but it seems like where I marked it to, or where I'm actually ending up, are two different things. Well, you know what, guys? You know what a person should check? See if he drilled the hole big enough first. I thought I did. It seemed like it was big enough.
Oh, that'll thread in.
Precision fit.
So you gotta go your way a little bit to be easier.
So first complaint, why are they putting wing nuts on the bolt to secure the pump to the shelf? It's beyond us.
I think maybe, also it's countersunk screws on top, so I don't think we're using the right fastener in the right spot, to tell you the truth there. And now we're rounding out the...
I don't think that's going anywhere.
All right. That's good. So like this, and like this, and like this. All right, so let's just. Oh, yeah, we're good. Actually, we could probably go in that box. It'd probably be easy.
It's already up there though.
Wow, for this side you might be able to. Alright, so Charlie's thinking it's gonna look real clean if we take these two bolts off and tuck the old power cable behind there.
I think we should rewire it then if we're gonna do that much work.
You're not cross-threading that, are you?
Hope not. Seems pretty straight. Started.
Driver. I mean, it's gonna have like 800 pounds of pressure through it or whatever it is. So.
All right, everything's plugged in. We haven't shortened the cord yet. What I was talking about, we'll probably cut that cord. Our water supply right now is temporary.
This is not the final solution here, but This wand with the nice swivel on it. Spray
This
away.
is all the factory OG included. 40 degree. 40 degree. Final step is to load up the foam cannon. We use some G-Technic citrus foam, mix it up, everything's good to go, hopefully.
You can make your white car white. Hose there is.
So usually I can't get the back of it.
What are we doing?
We are not voiding the warranty of this cable here. Black amount?
Black on left. Did you say it doesn't matter? That'll come on.
It's ready?
Yeah, that's fine. That's all.
First thing you always do to your working product is
Start taking it apart.
start taking shit apart.
Buy new cars, put different parts on them.
Yeah.